Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Saraswati Yantra frame. This sacred geometric design is believed to enhance wisdom, creativity, and knowledge. Crafting your own frame allows for a deeply personal connection to this powerful symbol. We will guide you through selecting materials, constructing the yantra, and assembling the frame. This project is a wonderful way to invite positive energy and artistic inspiration into your space, creating a beautiful and meaningful addition to any room. To begin, gather your essential materials. You will need a frame, which can be made of wood or MDF, along with a base material like premium con fabric or art paper. For the yantra itself, a compass, ruler, and pencils are crucial for precision. Consider using white, yellow, or gold colors for the yantra design, as these are traditionally associated with purity and knowledge. Understanding the intricate geometric patterns is the first step to a successful creation. Now, let's construct the yantra. Begin by finding the center of your chosen paper or fabric. Using a compass, draw the foundational circles and triangles with utmost precision, as the yantra's power lies in its accurate geometry. Once the intricate design is complete, carefully mount your artwork onto a firm backing, such as MDF board. Finally, place it within your frame, adding a protective glass or acrylic layer to preserve its beauty and integrity for years to come. Once your Saraswati Yantra frame is complete, strategic placement is key to maximizing its benefits. The northeast or east direction of a room is considered most auspicious. Ideal locations include a study room, office, or even a living room where it can inspire learning and creativity. This sacred symbol is believed to enhance concentration, improve memory, and foster clear, logical thinking. It also encourages artistic expression, bringing positive energy and intellectual growth to your space.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.